welcome back to the channel. It's me, Saber, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Saber. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. I am back today with another recipe from the Gudetama Cookbook. Sarah, what are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. Today we'll be making Sigh pancakes, I guess. Make 6 servings. Look at all that. It only takes up 1 page too, so it's been a minute since I made pancakes. Thank you so much for the suggestion to try the pancakes. It really has been a minute since I've last had some pancakes. I am one of those girlies who loves breakfast food, and I like IHOP and just pancakes, so I'm looking forward to this. One of the ingredients that I called for is vanilla extract, and I always hoard vanilla extract. I do hoard them, but I'm also hoarding the empty bottles because I played myself. I had this, I thought it was good, nope, empty. And then I had this, it's empty. I didn't get it because I was like, oh, I see it in the cupboard. It's empty. It is kind of a long list and more effort in pancakes than I would for a lazy guide, TBH, but I'm looking forward to like the buttermilk and the cinnamon. I would have been excited for the vanilla extract, but you know. Let's go ahead and read right up here. Stretch your imagination and pancakes kind of resemble little pillows, warm and fluffy, piled high like tiny cushions. They're the tastiest bedding on earth, richly scented with the vanilla and cinnamon. These little treasures are absolutely breathtaking. It's like the pancakes are practically calling out for you to lay your head down on them for a blissful respite. Don't do that though. You'll never get the syrup out of your perfectly coiffed bedhead. I really can't remember the last time I made pancakes, like honestly. Yeah, I don't think I remember, but I mean, wet ingredients, dry ingredients, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I guess we'll go ahead and get started. And here are all of the ingredients. I don't have them all pre-measured out. I'm just gonna measure them as I go because lazy. All right, let's go ahead and see what we have to do here. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, brown sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Set aside. In a separate bowl, stir together the eggs, buttermilk, and vanilla. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and stir in the wet ingredients until just combined. Stir in the melted butter. In a skillet over medium-low heat, add the oil. Pour a 1/4 cup circles of batter into the pan. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes when the small bubbles appear and begin to pop. Yeah, circle that up. Okay, don't stick to it. The first pancake is always ugly, okay? That's just the rule of thumb. No. Cook together. Dude. Okay, you know, okay. Flip the pancakes over and cook for another 2 minutes until they are cooked through and golden brown. Oh, it's burned. Ah! Damn it. Dude, I'm a mess. This has been entirely messy. And here's the reveal. I can't make pancakes, man. It's all busted and sideways. It's okay, it's fine. It got really hot, so I couldn't wear the bangs in the hat anymore, I'm sorry. But here are the pancakes. It's not all of them. I made a lot. I'm gonna raw dog it first, and then I'm gonna put syrup on it and try it. They're so small. This would have slapped with that vanilla in there, but it tastes pretty good. Okay, that's too much. No, that's good. I'm not gonna put any butter on top of it because like I put melted butter into it, so I think this is like good enough. But I made a lot of pancakes. Tastes pretty good. Even though it looks burnt as shit. Uneven. Love that from you. But I'm enjoying it. Well, that's it. It was honestly super easy because making pancakes is kind of just easy. It's just waiting for when to flip. And I was doing so bad in knowing when to flip the pancakes. It said the bubbles. I didn't pay too much attention to the bubbles at first, I'll be honest. So it's like I completely forgot how to make pancakes in general. So I don't know. But I can't make pancakes either. as we can see. But I mean, I can make it, but they don't look beautiful. So, you know, at least they're edible. But I'm going to thank you again so much for the suggestion on making pancakes. If there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Gudetama Cookbook, there are a list of options right here for you. Pause to read if you need. I think that's enough time. So if there's anything that you guys want me to make from there, you're more than welcome to suggest it down in the comments below. I also am currently going through the Adventure Time cookbook as well as the Final Fantasy XIV cookbook. So if you guys want to see recipes from there, I highly recommend it. But anyway, yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Do you guys like pancakes? Do you like breakfast food? Do you have like a favorite breakfast food thing to get? I like to go to IHOP and get the 2x2x2. Get a little bit of everything. Or the breakfast sampler. Ooh, yeah, that's good. I need to go to IHOP again sometime. Anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by today and hanging out with me until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Or not, you're in charge of yourself. Okay, bye!